Welcome to our channel, where we make the mysteries of the universe accessible to everyone. Today, we're going to embark on a journey through the cosmos, right from your backyard. This is Navigating the Night Sky, a beginner's guide to astronomy. The night sky, a spectacular tapestry of stars, planets, and galaxies. But where do we begin? First, let's understand the basics. The night sky changes throughout the year due to the Earth's orbit around the Sun. This means different constellations become visible as seasons change. And remember, stargazing is best done on a clear night, away from city lights. Now, let's learn how to identify some common constellations. Default here we have Orion, easily identifiable by its three-star belt. And there's the Big Dipper, part of the larger is a major constellation. Planets don't twinkle like stars do. They shine with a steady light and often, they're the brightest objects in the sky. For example, Venus, known as the evening star, is the third brightest object in our sky after the Sun and the Moon. Astronomy is a vast and fascinating field. And the best part, you can start exploring it right from your backyard. So, grab a telescope, or just your eyes, and start exploring the universe. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides and tips on exploring our universe. Until next time, keep looking up.